All right, special thanks to this company for sending us their digital kitchen timer with LED display. We'll unbox it and show it to you guys. That's the front of the box, nothing really around it. Hours, minutes, seconds, and then that's timer blank. Let's see what we have here. Oh, look at that, rechargeable. That's even better. So it included USB-C type cable to charge it. And then that's it for the box. So we have the actual timer here. You've got a little sheet to tell you exactly how to do everything, how to make it a count up, countdown timer, etc. And then we pull off our sticker here. So there's a couple of different modes here, but it looks like this is actually dead at the moment. But you've got a kickstand back here, so you could set it up this way, or there's 4 magnets here, so it's magnetic. See? And then over here, you've got either just vibrate with no sound, or you've got slightly louder, or all the way up is the loudest sound. At the top, hours, minutes, seconds, clear, start and stop. So essentially all you have to do is when you turn it on and it's charged up, you just click the hour button and it'll add hours. You click the minutes, it'll add minutes. Seconds will add seconds, and then you start it. Then it'll go off when it's finished. And if you mess up or anything, you can hit that to clear it and type it all out again. So that'll do it for this digital kitchen timer unboxing. Definitely a nice looking product. Thank you guys for watching. We'll see you in the next one. Deuces.